Hello, welcome back from my better YouTube channel again. In this video I want to sharing you how to using the wonderful Wondershares Filoma X. Okay, let's start here. Yeah, that's I already opened that. That we have to choose new projects or open projects so that we can show everything that we want. This is you want to choose new projects. That's the open projects. The open projects mean like this. All the thing. Yeah, we can open that. That is the white screen. White screen mean what thing that you want to do, like the Instagram. It's the Instagram rituals, the portrait, the standards, the cinemas, or the white screen. White screen means that the like the YouTube screen. Yeah, like this way. I like white screen. I want to choose new projects. I want to show you the example. Okay. It is that's all this. This is the media. That's the project media. That's the folder. The share media. This connect with the media from your desktop. When you click in your Mac, click Command I. That will ask you what file that you want to update. Okay. Let's choose one of your files from this. Okay, I want to show you one example. Okay, this thing I already editing. This is my video. Yes, I want to open it from Dex. Yeah, it's running now. We had to make for the one to run it. Yes, this is the media that I want to choose, and we can drag it down. And yeah, that's it. That you want to keep match to medias or keep project setting 1920 to 1080. If we match to media, it's way smaller than that. So I want to keep project setting. Click here. Yes, it works the same with there of my projects. That's the audio. That the audio that wonderful Filoma X given to you. You can insert a lot of the audio from that. Yes, I want to show you one example. You wanna stop by later? Maybe I'm gonna fix something to eat. Okay, I want to cut it off for now. This is my video. It's nothing. I want to share with. That's only sound. You wanna grab something from the street? Bring it out. Yes. Yeah. This is here. It's not very bad. It's really nice. It's really nice. It's the sound that Filoma X giving to you. Do you understand? Yes. A lot of things you can import to your videos or even your sound as well. This when your angel has sound, you can drop and drag from that. Okay. Yeah, like this way. That's the idea for your video to edit something new. Like I want to try you for something. When you want to drag, yes, double click on that and it will coming out here. You don't like that and go into the advanced. You can edit. Yes, what things? Template cyclist. Yes, like this. Like some things. You want to YouTube like a YouTube channel. Yeah. For the demo test is here. Yes, demo test you can yes, demo test you can edit from that. You can delete and you can edit from it's also the same with that. Write your channel like APPLBTECT tricks better trick. This is my YouTube channel. Like this. Yeah, it is really bigger, so I want to smaller it. YouTube channel. Yeah, this mean like when you far more than that, one is appear. See that? Yes, I want to show you example here. When you word it out, one is read there, it's gone. Yes, like this way. One is read to here, Israel, just like this. Israel cameras. Israel cameras. One this bar read to text, and Israel con. One is like a YouTube channel is con. One is read to text, and Appetitrix is con. One is read to this. Okay, yeah, like this. You look, it's really clear. Okay, yes, like this way. It's the idea that as I want to share with you there how to use this bar. That's really useful when you editing like a lyric song. This I want to show you just example. When you editing song like something song is not automatically given to you, so you need to add lyrics into the song. So you need to customize with this bar. It's really useful for editing song. This is the transition, that's there. Time portion, that's flag. That is when I add into my video. It's where change. Yeah, you watch out. Okay. Yes, like I make the flags, so it will flag out. I don't want to insert flag. I want to this, so yeah, at the start of my video. Yeah, it's where showing you, yeah, like this way. This is the effect. You can add the effects. You can add the effect. The effects that you can add into like at the videos. That's the element. You can editing into their channel. Yeah, like this way. When you want to thundering, yes, thundering, yeah, yes, editing like this way. When you want to background. When you want background into there, is where so yeah, like this way, background. This is the element. When you want to fire something in your video, it's where fire. It's where fire. Yes, that's the element that we use when we transmitting to like a photo transmission. When we want to change like a that photo and that photo, we connect with that element to make our video more perfect. When we want to change the transition, you can use like a transition as well. Transitions, and yeah, transition I really want to recommend you. Transitions is more better when we want to change 1 to 1. This is the element that we use when like comedy videos. It's really more useful for them. One after you finishing, I want to show you this way. When you finishing to editing, you should click text playback. Creating a reader for smooth playback is where like your video more perfect. Yeah, like this. It's red green. It's red green. Before I make this, it's red red. Okay, I want to show you one more time. If I build it, if I run it again, it will red. It's red red. This, yeah, that's there. Okay, I start that. I'm doing it one time, so it doesn't have anything. If I do it 2 or 3 more times, it will right. And if you want to make a videos of after your combination is complete, click export and choose your output where you want to do, and you can choose the resolution like this, 340, or like customize as your best better scope. You can choose from that. You can name your video. I name my video like YouTube channel. I want to try YouTube CHE and then CHE and then here, yeah, like this. Explode, click explode. Okay, after I'm setting at my video where you can yes successfully you have been created. Okay, thank you everybody. Today I was showing you how to editing your video on the Filoma X. It's really better for every video creators. A lot of tools and a lot of things including in that. Okay, thank you everybody. Subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.